Hey guys, this is Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits and my name is Kingsley. It's a brand new week and it's yet another Monday. In this video of the What Is series, I will talk about cryptocurrency terms and terminologies for beginners and ninjas alike. In this particular video, I'll talk about cryptocurrency wallets, alright? What are cryptocurrency wallets? What are the types that are available and how to use them? So let's get right into it. What is a cryptocurrency wallet? A cryptocurrency wallet is an app that allows cryptocurrency users to store and retrieve their digital assets. As with conventional cryptocurrencies or with conventional currencies, your fiat currency or paper money, you don't need a wallet to spend your cash, but it certainly helps to keep it all in one place, right? When you acquire your first cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, you can store it in a cryptocurrency wallet and from there use it to make transactions. Liken this to your commercial or microfinance bank account. For you to hold money, you need a bank account or a physical wallet. However, I must say that this is way old-fashioned way of dealing with money. All right. Yeah. So cryptocurrency wallets are apps that you install or might run on your smartphones or computers, right? If you prefer the tactile experience of holding a wallet, you can also buy a physical device that runs the wallet app. When you want to acquire cryptocurrency, whether you're buying from a cryptocurrency exchange or you are receiving it as a gift or you are earning it as revenue for work you have done, you direct the sender to a unique cryptographic address issued by the wallet. You might picture your cryptocurrency stored on the wallet the same way files are stored on a USB flash drive, but in fact, the information stored on the wallet only points to your cash location on the blockchain, that is the public ledger that records and authenticates all transactions for a cryptocurrency. Spending with the wallet is as simple as you scanning a retailer's QR code or directing a specific amount of cryptocurrencies to the retailer's public address. Types of cryptocurrency wallets. There are distinctively two types of cryptocurrency wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. What are hot wallets? Hot wallets are basically the wallets that connects to the internet and generally they offer lesser security. On the other hand, hot wallets offer better accessibility due to their connection with the internet. Even if hot wallets are vulnerable to fraudsters and hacker attacks, they are highly user-friendly. Alright? What are cold wallets? They are basically specific variations of cryptocurrency wallets that are designed for cold storage. When we say cold storage, it implies that the wallets store crypto tokens of users in offline mode. As a result, they serve as vaults that you can use for everyday transactions. Interestingly, there are some types of cold wallets that connect to the internet even while retaining their basic working functionality. Therefore, it is quite clear that people with a large amount of funds, when you have huge funds or crypto assets, you would find better benefits with cold wallets. However, a combination of both cold and hot wallets will present better value advantages for crypto users. For example, a large share of your funds could be stored securely in a cold wallet, with it allowing better flexibility for funds. So, a hybrid approach with the two crypto wallet categories blended together could offer improved security alongside flexibility. So that is it for this video. If you liked this content, please do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and hit the bell notification button so you get notified when I drop new content like this. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.